The so tell us about your experience.
So first, one of the things that I've observed while we conduct the interview is yung place nila. So yung place nila very prone to calamities like floods. And when it comes naman dun sa in-interview namin, yung family nila and yung home nila is ayun, maliit tsaka hindi sapat para sa kanila. And when it comes to education naman, one of the common problems of course is yung resources, limited resources na nagagamit ng mga bata. And actually na-mention pa nga nung family na na-interview ko, yung dalawang anak niya nag-share pa ng uniform. And doon pa lang I realized a lot. Kasi in our everyday living, sometimes we take things for granted Nakakalimutan natin yung kung anong meron tayo. And us, habang kinokonduct naman yung interview na yun, it was an eye-opener for me and for others for sure. Kasi yung status nila doon, yung lugar nila doon, yung place nila doon it is really difficult. Kasi yun nga, their place is prone to calamities. And my overall feelings or feedback doon sa nangyari is mixed emotion ako. Na ayun nga, we should appreciate kung anong meron tayo. And as a group naman, ito yung mga bagay na ini-aim namin to provide awareness sa mga ganong situation, to provide nakaalaman or give chances to those people na underprivileged. Yun lang.